yogis. My name is Sarah and this is Sarah Yoga. So today we have special circumstances, of course, lots of people stuck at home, so I want to keep bringing these free yoga videos to you. So we're going to do a quick flow, so just a really quick way to get into your body, get a little bit of movement going, get away from your computer, get up and flow with your breath. So we're not going to waste a whole lot of time. You don't need anything fancy, of course. Any clothes you have on will do. And if you have a mat, great. If you don't worry about it. All right, so let's get started, and we're actually just going to take a seat here for a moment, and then we'll stand up and get moving and jump right into it. So find an easy seat, whether it be a cross-legged seat or you're up on a chair, whatever it might be, right? Just take a moment to kind of settle and to find your breath, feel your sits bones ground down. Take a few deep inhales, maybe just through your mouth, let it go. Again, deep breath in, let it go. All right, we all need a couple deep rounds of breath here. And exhale, let it go. So maybe just a few circles through the head, the neck, bringing some attention into your body. Maybe you circle out through the shoulders. Really nice. So we're going to kind of start our flow here, and then we're going to stand up and do it. So you're going to let the arms drop off of the thighs. Take a nice big breath and reach up. And exhale, hands to the heart. And so let's do that again. This time inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, deep breath in for 4. Exhale for 6. And 2 more. Deep breath in. And exhale. One more deep breath in for 4. And slowing down the exhale for 6. And pause here in center when you end. Take a nice big breath in through the mouth. And then just find a little pause at the bottom of the exhale. Hold the breath out. And then again, deep breath in. And through the mouth. Empty out, and pause at the bottom just for a second or two. Last round, deep breath in. Exhale. And pause. Nice. Maybe smile. Take a deep breath in. And just kind of let that go. So just noticing, right, the breath can really dramatically shift your mind, your body in just a few moments, right? That's all we did was extend our exhales, try and shift out of that fight or flight, shift more into the parasympathetic nervous system. All right, so let's jump on our feet here. And we'll come up and we'll move right into our sun salutation. So we're going to start at the top of the mat. Kind of a super basic grounding practice, but it never fails to release some of the stress in the body. So we're just going to continue here with that breath. Inhale for 4. And exhale, just arms out to the side for 6. A little dip in the knees, chin comes towards the chest. And then when you're ready, push back into the heels. Inhale. And let's do that again. Exhale. Let's go right again. Inhale. We're going to add on this time. This time on your exhale, dive all the way down to the ground. Little bend in your knees. Maybe that 6 count breath brings you all the way down. And then inhale, walk your hands to your shins or your thighs. Roll the heart open, shoulder blades on the back, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the knees and fold. And so we'll do that again. This time, roll up through the spine, nice and slow. Let that inhale carry you all the way up. And exhale, just arms down by your side. A little dip in the knees, chin to chest. Inhale, rise up. 6 count breath brings you all the way down, forward fold. And then inhale, that same halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll up. Arms come all the way up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Inhale, last round here of our half sun salutation, half Surya Namaskar. Exhale, diving it down. Halfway lift on the breath in. And exhale, fold. Rolling all the way up through the spine. Arms come all the way up. And this time we're going to meet hands right at the heart center just to kind of close out this round. And just pause, notice your body, notice your breath. Maybe let go of the jaw. Maybe smile at the ridiculousness of it all, right? Let's take one more breath in here. Exhale, soften. And then we're going to move on. So we're going to add on to full sun salutation. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, diving it down. Take a nice big breath in, halfway lift. Exhale, we're going to plant the palms, step the feet back, plank pose. So moving through this first one a little bit slower, maybe take a few rocks forward and back. Let's kind of feel that strength in the body, scoop the navel in, heart forward, heels back. Let's take a breath in as you rock forward over the fingertips. Exhale, knees, chest, chin, elbows hug in as you come all the way down. And then we'll hug those elbows in, push through the tops of the toes. Inhale, reach the heart forward, baby cobra. Exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, rise up. Let's go up and back, downward facing dog. So because this is the first downward dog, you might pedal it out a little bit. And kind of notice how your body feels here. Give yourself a few rounds of breath to feel that connection to the ground. Lengthening out the bones. Right, just feeling the space in your body. Let's take one more inhale here. And then exhale, look forward, make your way all the way back to the top of the mat into that forward fold. Head drops down. And then when you're ready, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale and fold. Slow rise, bend into the knees, roll all the way up, arms come up with you. And we'll bring our arms down by our side. So we're going to do that one 3 more times at a little bit faster pace, but again, just taking your time with your breath. Inhale. Exhale, diving down. If it's helpful, inhale for 4. Maybe exhale for 6. And we're gonna step those feet back. Same exhale. Inhale, rocks you forwards. Knees up or down, lowering down. Baby cobra. And you might lift up into an upward facing dog. Full inhale here. And then take your time, use your exhale. Make your way back, downward facing dog. 3 inhales, 3 exhales. And 2 more. And the last round. At the bottom of the exhale, look forward. Step your feet forward. Release the weight of the head, and then inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale brings you all the way up. Exhale, hands down by your side. Nice, 2 more rounds. Inhale, stick with the breath. Exhale, dive it up and over. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back. Plank, modified plank. Inhale, rocks you forwards. Exhale, brings you down. So you could come all the way down, or you can come halfway down. Inhale, baby cobra, or maybe right through into that upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 rounds of breath. At the bottom of that next exhale, look forward, step forward. Release the head. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, roll all the way up. Arms come up. Exhale, arms right down by your side. Got 1 more. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, dive it down. Halfway lift on the inhale. Exhale, step back. Lowering all the way down. Inhale, baby cobra, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take 3 final rounds of breath here. Last deep breath in. And then exhale, lower your knees wide, big toes together, child's pose. Give yourself a moment here just to, again, check in with the body, let the weight of the head ground down. Feel free to stay here in child's pose for as long as you need. I will end here. 1 final moment in a seat. Just giving yourself that last moment. Notice kind of the magic of this yoga. How important it might be just to take this short little time, right? To check in, to kind of ground yourself out, to realize it's not the end of the world, right? Things do go on. So So thank you so much for joining me in this short practice today. I really appreciate it. As you probably know, lots of yoga teachers have lost their entire salary. So if you are able to donate, there is a donate button up at the top of the page and will be listed below here. Also, I am making several other longer classes, 45 minutes to an hour, up on my Patreon page. So if you're able to donate to that as well and would like to take part in, say, a longer version of this practice, head over there. That link will be below. And also stay tuned. There will be some live feed classes available within the next couple of weeks. So just lots of fun things going on, all different kinds of ways to participate, stay grounded, and move with your body and your breath. So again, I thank you for watching. Stick around, there'll be lots to come, and we'll see you next time on XSarah Yoga. Namaste.